Honoring police officers. National Police Week is May 10th through the 16th in the U.S. This week honors police officers. Police officers protect people, solve crimes, arrest criminals, and more. Washington, D.C. usually has special events for Police Week. Many police officers usually go to Washington, D.C. This year, many events are canceled. People usually light candles to honor police officers. This year, people can watch a special ceremony online. The ceremony will honor police officers. What is May 10th through the 16th? National Police Week, Fat Bear Week, Fire Prevention Week.
National Police Week.
Who does National Police Week honor? Park rangers, nurses, police officers.
Police officers.
Where do many police officers usually go for Police Week? Washington, D.C., St. Louis, Missouri, Nashville, Tennessee.
Washington, D.C.